Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this really awesome taffy that I have here. So this is a great candy. It's called Airheads. It does come in a variety of flavors. I always buy the pack of 36 that has the cherry. It's one of our favorites in our house, and this is great. It is this really nice tasting, this tastes like cherry. It is a non-melting taffy. As you can see, it's very like bendy. You're able to pull it apart, and it's just an incredibly great taffy that you have here. It's sugary, of course, but it tastes just like cherry, and it has such a really enjoyable flavor and texture to it. If you like taffy, I know I do, this is one of the best kind that I always buy, but that's just my point of view.